Hello guys, welcome to today's video. On today's video, I'm going to guide you on how to earn BNB coin on bnbpic.io/faucet.com. It's very easy to earn on this platform. Very easy to earn on this platform. As you can see how the platform looks like. It's very easy to earn. Very easy. But first, before we continue, I want you to click on the comment section for more videos. Yes. Now we're going to get started now. Before we get started, we're going to click on the left hand menu button. Okay, we're going to click on the left hand menu button. Okay, you can see so many ways to earn BNB coin on this platform. You can see the first one being Faucet, being the particular place we are right now. Faucet, you can earn on this particular place. All you have to do is to scroll down. But before we continue, you have to sign up an account with your verified email address. Okay, that's all about the website. Now we're going to scroll down to see how we can earn on Faucet. Okay, let's scroll down. Now we're going to wait, but before anything else, we have to click on this option here, Cloudflare Style. Before you allow this platform to load, you must make sure you put this on Cloudflare. Yes, when you add your Cloudflare, okay, we're going to wait for some minutes for the option to load out in the middle. Let's refresh the page. Okay, page is refreshed now, so we'll scroll down again. Our option is already on Cloudflare, so let's wait for it to load now. Maybe the network is very bad. Okay, since the network is very bad now, let me still show you guys how to earn with games. Okay, let's go to games. Network is very bad for Faucet. Let's go to games. Here in games, it's very easy too. You just need to play games and earn. That's all. Like as for me now, I'm going to choose the first game being dice. I'll choose the first game. You can see my BNB is 1754. But now I'm going to play a game. Just roll your dice. It's rolling. Once it stops, my balance is going to increase. That's just it about BNB peak. Network is very bad. Okay, completed. Now, once you roll your dice, make sure you have a strong network connection. Whenever you roll the dice, your balance increases. Then we'll go back to the second place we can earn, being affiliates. It's the second place you can earn BNB on this platform. We go to affiliates. On this affiliate, you don't even need to stress yourself. All you just need to do is to scroll down and copy your referral link and send it to your friends on WhatsApp, Telegram, any social media at all. Because the more you refer your friends, the more you earn more on the platform. So I just copied mine. All you just have to do is to share it on your WhatsApp. All you have to do is to share it on your WhatsApp. That's just it. Now we're going to go to the faucet. Basically on this platform, we don't deposit, you only withdraw. That's just it about this platform, but I'm going to show you on how to withdraw too on this platform. Here on faucets, all you just have to do is to scroll down again and wait for the option to load out. Okay, now it's loading already. Now it's loading. If you have a very strong network connection, it's going to tick good. And once it ticks good, you click on claim. Once you claim it, your balance increases massively. So now if there is a poor connection here, it will mark a bad sign. Then if there is a high quality network, it will tick good, which enables you to claim a BNB here on Faucet. So let's wait and see if it's going to tick a good sign. Okay, now it already you can have trouble send feedback. Okay, this is because I've already end on faucet few minutes pass, so I'm going to wait until the option loads out again. That's just it about faucet. So now I'm going to show you guys on how to withdraw. You click on withdraw. You click on withdraw, then all you have to do now is to put in your withdrawal address right here. I'm not going to withdraw mine now because I haven't gotten to the limit of withdrawal. So you just add your withdrawal address right here. You add your withdrawal amount right here and the transaction fee. The transaction fee. And make sure this is on Cloudflare before your withdrawal. Once it's on Cloudflare, then you click on withdraw. That's it about the platform. That's just it. I can't withdraw now because I've already shortened my balance, so that's just it. So make sure you click on the comment section for more videos. Thanks guys.